Hey guys, how you going? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the HTML5 download attribute. So basically the download attribute allows you to create a direct download link. So basically when your user clicks on the link, it is going to immediately start downloading that resource or that file directly on their machine. So it's going to work on your A or your anchor tags. Okay. It also lets you specify a file name. So if you want, you can actually override the file name of the resource specified in the href attribute, and it's going to work on all of the major browsers aside from Internet Explorer and Safari on iOS. So things like iPhone and iPad, it's not going to work. So let's dive right into the actual attribute and how to use it. So let's go inside the text editor right here. I've got this HTML web page, so let's go down here and actually create a new link. So I've actually got some data inside here. So I've got a directory called data. Inside here I've got a file called info.txt. So inside here we get, of course, I am some information. So we're going to be downloading this info.txt file using the download attribute. So let's go back to the index.html file and create a new link. Of course, using the A or the anchor tag, we can say A, then href is equal to data info.txt, and make the actual title here something like view information. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and refresh, and of course if I was to click on this, it opens up in the same tab. What we want is basically when I click on this for it to immediately start downloading on the bottom here. Now of course I could say something like target and then make that underscore blank, and that'll open in a new tab, but this still isn't what we want. So to actually make it a direct download, it is very easy using the download attribute. You simply add the download attribute to the element itself, just like that. And of course you don't need to specify download equals true or anything like that. You simply just say download and it's going to work just fine. So now I'm going to save this and actually make this download information this time round. Okay, I'm going to save this here and refresh once again, and now press download information, and we can see it does a direct download to the bottom of the Chrome window, and it is now downloaded on my machine. So that's basically how it's going to work. But also it lets you specify the file name. So let's go back inside here. You can actually say download is equal to, and then here you can specify what the new file name is going to be. Obviously it is currently info.txt. I can change this to be something like decode, for example. Okay, actually let's make this something like bottle. Okay, I'm going to save this now and refresh once again, and then click on download, and now it downloads bottle.txt. So not only has it renamed this to bottle.txt, it has actually picked up and detected the file extension from the href. It is seen, okay, this is a .txt, so let's make it bottle and then .txt. If you wanted to override the actual file extension, you can do that also. I can say, for example, bottle.json. Okay, save this and then refresh, and now we get right here bottle.json. So you can not only specify a new file name, just the name part, you can also add an extension and to of course change the extension of the downloaded resource. So as I said, this is going to work in all browsers except from Internet Explorer and Safari on iOS. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.